Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Phantom Wallet to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you transfer your Litecoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to diversify your portfolio or a pro managing multiple exchanges, this process is simpler than you think. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the App Store, download it, and set up your wallet with a new or existing account. Once that's done, ensure you have some Litecoin in your Phantom Wallet. Double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Now, let's hop over to Binance. Open the Binance app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin from your asset list. Here, you'll find your unique Litecoin deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct network, like the Litecoin network, to prevent any errors. Back in your Phantom Wallet, go to the Send or Transfer option. Select Litecoin as the asset you're sending. Paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Take a moment to confirm all the details. This is your safety net against mistakes. Hit Send, and wait for the confirmation. Phantom will process it quickly. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to see your Litecoin arrive. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. And there you have it. That's how you successfully send Litecoin from Phantom to Binance. Remember, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on any 2025 regulations. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that digital future together. See you next time.